How's everybody doing out there? Thanks for checking us out on the channel here. Race Scoop, because I like the way that the washer bottle was mounted remotely. Having the nitrous modules in there, I don't have room for like the Roto-Fab style kits that they have for the washer bottle relocation. So hopefully we're going to have a lot better airflow once the car is moving. Get some more air in there, more cold air. You know, the more cold air you get in there, the better. So it's a fairly cheap investment. It's around $100 for the whole kit. Just have to put it in. The front wheel has to come off. The wheel well plastic at the little shroud has to come out of there, and then we'll pull the washer bottle that's in there, install the new washer bottle, and it has actually like about a ½ inch Tygon tube, or maybe 3/4 inch. I haven't really looked at it yet. We're going to unbox that in a minute, so we'll show you what that looks like. Alright, and that's what we're doing. It's Memorial Day weekend, Saturday. Got a little time in the garage here. The weather's not too bad. Anyway, let's get to unboxing some of these parts from Phastek. Let's open them up and check it out. This came from Phastek Performance. Oh yeah, I ordered it on Wednesday, and they had it was here yesterday. And you know, they're in Texas and I'm in North Carolina, so I was pretty impressed. Took like Wednesday to Friday. I really didn't expect it to be here this weekend, and that was through the priority mail, and it was free shipping, which is always nice as well. Okay, looks like we got a zip tie and a bolt, small bolt. And here's the unit itself. It's pretty nice. Looks like it's crinkle coat, powder coat, which is pretty good looking. The holes are pre-drilled here. These holes are pre-drilled to accept the washer bottle. So that washer bottle is way down below, so it's way out of the way. So we're going to look at that, and then let's see what we got here. This was part of the deal. I don't know. Oh. This is something that I was waiting for as well. It's a new igniter kit for the Weber grill. So, but it's not a car part, so we'll go into that. And this is the washer bottle, the new washer bottle. A lot of guys just don't put new ones back on, but my car still is totally streetable. We can take it and put it on a we can take it and put the street tune on it, put the street wheels on it, and it's ready to roll. You know, we just took it down to Georgia, about a 4.5, 5 hour drive. The road's smooth, so I'm trying to, you know, I gotta be a little sticker, Phastek Performance. Everything looks pretty nice. Here, this is the tube see what this is here. Here's the washer tank instructions. We recommend installing the washer tank to the air scoop before installing the air scoop to the vehicle. You'll be using 4 bolts, 8 washers, and 4 locking nuts. If you already have the air scoop installed, then you'll need to see the air scoop instructions to see how to access the area for where the tank will be installed. Okay. And they have a website there probably with some additional instructions. So we're going to go ahead and install it here prior to I think it's going to go something like this. So it'll be toward the outside of the car if we need to get at it. Now you remove the factory washer front from the factory washer tank and insert it into the rubber grommet on the side of the new tank. Okay, so you move over your pump. Once the tank and air scoop are mounted in the vehicle, connect the clear hose to the washer tank. At this point you can connect the factory connector to the pump. Next you'll need to find a location of where the black fill tank will be mounted. So this is going to be remotely located and hook into this hose here. They give you some hose clamps for it. It's a very nicely made setup. It really looks well made. So I mean, I think it was $116 and included shipping for this whole thing. And having, I really like having the powder coated piece too. All right, 2.5 pounds. This is kind of what it looks like under there right now. Hopefully we'll improve on this some. See, right now we have our Roto-Fab here, the air filter, and we have the washer bottle. And you can see down there, that washer bottle takes up that whole space. You're barely getting any fresh air in here. So we're going to get this thing out of here and get this thing set up. That's got to come out, and then we will have access to that area up there. And there it is. The horn's mounted right here. This has to come out, and we're going to put this longer bolt in so that we can screw it in through here to that hanger. And then we'll bolt in to the side of the frame right here. We'll use one of the bolts, pre-existing bolts. That was in the old washer system. Wonderful. Working on the floor is so much fun. The other thing I wanted to show you is this. Here's your lower grill. This had plastic here, a shroud. I cut that out. That's where the air is going to come into this unit. I cut out a little bit more than needed to be cut, but a little more air in there isn't going to hurt anything. I think it'll make it a little easier to put in. Okay, once you get your unit in here, you're close. I just ran the hose not too far up into here. There's some mounting holes, but I don't even think I'm going to mount it. You know, I don't know about this thing if I like that, but it shouldn't hurt anything. The only thing I do not like is when you're filling this, you have to fill it really, really slow or it overflows. And look where you are, right at your air cleaner. So that kind of sucks. May not use that a whole lot. This is where the scoop is. You can see the end of it right there. Right down in there. That's from this shot over, this whole area is collecting air now, and it will come in right down below. Well, that's there. It really. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. There's a lot more that we're going to be doing. We're going to see what this does. We're going to take a look and see how the new Z01 fuel pump works out. Get a little bit more pressure in there. And we're preparing to get ready for Camaro Fest. Camaro Fest is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have Joanne with the spectator cam. We've got a call-out race. Steve accepted from Hammer Down Motorsports, so we're going to be doing that. And we'll see. We're going to cover a lot of the different Camaros and racers up there. Some of the parking lot parties. Should be a pretty fun time. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Appreciate all your support, all your help. All the other channels have been helping me out lately too.